gĩtio na kĩrongorerie ciĩgiĩ ũiguano wa bũrũri wa Kenya na Netherlands, na nĩ atĩ bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ wĩkĩranĩire thairi na bũrũri wa Netherlands na itemiini rĩa kwagĩrithia ũiguano na makĩria wa wonjoria gatagati ka mabũrũri maya meri. Mĩhang'o ĩno ĩkinyanĩirio nĩ Attorney General Justin Biden Muturi ũrĩa ũnyitĩte ũgeni ambassador kuma bũrũri ũyũ wa Netherlands ũĩkaine ta Martin Browell.
The reading of a bill first time is a very simple exercise. The clerk on the table, you see the speaker sits there. There's some three people who sit below the speaker. There are a couple of clerks at the table. One of them rises and says, maybe animal feed and what bill. Then reads the wrong title. A bill for an act of parliament to provide for blah 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 blah. And connected purposes or matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, because the bill has many things.
Shows where that commitment comes from, and what it tries to do, and what is the partnership that you're trying to build, and that's why we said this is an MOU for us, so it's particularly important to do that. And yes, we will definitely be in contact with you also. We attach a lot of value on human rights. We attach a lot of, and we appreciate the independence of the Human Rights Commission that is in Kenya. And that's something we also monitor. We attach a lot of value on the international organizations that are based in The Hague, all of them. And Kenya is in many of them an important player. So even if we can extend that to all organizations, would be really helpful. Because the role that you play and can play is very. Kenya is not a country just somewhere isolated and doing things on. It is a player in the world stage. So to be connected also to the world stage in all those organizations is something that's very